Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this logarithmic equation. And the equation is the square root of 1 plus log of x with the base of 0.04 plus the square root of 3 plus log of x with the base of 0.2, the whole of the left-hand side equal to 1. All right, let's get started. Let's start by simplifying this because 0.04 right here is the same thing as 0.2 all squared. So if you have log of x with the base of 0.04, this is the same thing as log of x with the base of 0.2 all squared. And we can rewrite this as 1 divided by 2, this 2 right here, then multiply by log of x with the base of 0.2. So instead of the whole of this, we can write this one. So let's do that. So the left hand side, we have the square root of 1 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by log of x with the base of 0.2. We add it to the square root of 3 plus log of x with the base of 0.2. The whole of this equal to 1. So let's do a kind of substitution here by letting the whole of this log of x with the base of 0.2 to be equal to something else because we have it also here. So let y be equal to log of x with the base of 0.2. Wherever we have it, we are going to substitute it with y. The left hand side, we have the square root of 1 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by y plus the square root of 3 plus y, the whole of this equal to 1. This is a very important equation. We can use it for substitution. Let's keep it here. But for now, let us take this term to the right hand side. It is going to become negative, right? So we have the square root of 1 plus, I can write it as y divided by 2 equal to 1 minus the square root of 3 plus y. Now let us square both sides. We have the square root of 1 plus y divided by 2 all squared. This is equal to 1 minus the square root of 3 plus y all squared. The left hand side, power of 2 will eliminate the square root, leaving 1 plus y divided by 2. And this is equal to, you take the first term, which is 1, you square that, you have 1. You add second term squared also, it will eliminate the square root, leaving 3 plus y. Then because of that minus, we attach minus here. 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by the square root of 3 plus y. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, right? So we have 1 plus y divided by 2 equal to 4 plus y minus 2 multiplied by square root of 3 plus y. Now let us switch these terms. Take this one to the left hand side and take the whole of this to the right hand side. If you bring that term to the left hand side, it becomes positive 2 multiplied by square root of 3 plus y. This is equal to, already we have 4 to the right hand side. As 1 crosses over, it becomes negative 1. Then we have y already to the right hand side. As y divided by 2 crosses over, it becomes negative y divided by 2. To the left hand side, we have 2 multiplied by square root of 3 plus y. And this is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. And y minus y divided by 2 is y divided by 2. Let us multiply both sides by 2 to clear that fraction. 2 times the left hand side will become 4 multiplied by square root of 3 plus y. This is equal to 3 times 2 is 6 plus, if you multiply y divided by 2, you're going to obtain only y. Now we are going to square both sides again to clear the square root to the left hand side. Square this, square this. We have 4 squared is 16. Then square root of 3 plus y. If you square that, it will eliminate the square root. Then we have to the right hand side First term squared, 6 squared is 36, plus y squared plus 2 times 6 times y is 12y. Let us expand the left hand side. 16 times 3 is 48, plus 16 times y is 16y. This is equal to 36, plus y squared plus 12y. Now let us take all these 2 times to the right hand side. To the right hand side, let's start with the leading term, which is y squared. We add 12y. If 16y crosses over, it becomes negative 16y. Then we have 36 to the right hand side. If 48 crosses over, it becomes negative 48. The whole of this equal to 0. We have y squared. 12 minus 16 is minus 4. We have minus 4y. And 36 minus 48 is negative 12. The whole of this equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation that we can solve by factorization. Let us think of two numbers which when we multiply them together we get negative 12, and when we add them together we get negative 4. And the numbers are 2 and negative 6. So we have y plus 2, y minus 6. Let us set each of these factors to be equal to 0. If you set y minus 2 equal to 0, it implies that y is equal to negative 2 or y equal to 6. But remember that our equation was in terms of x. We substituted y to be something, remember here. We let y to be equal to log of x with the base of 0.2. Y is equal to log of x with the base of 0.2. I have already solved this equation. I know that y equal to 6 will not work, but we're going to test it later. So from here, if we substitute y with negative 2, we have negative 2 equal to log of x with the base of 0.2. Therefore, 0.2 raised to the power of negative 2 will be equal to x. And 0.2 raised to the power of negative 2 will give us 25, and therefore x is equal to 25 and is the valid solution. Let me show you why we say that y equal to 6 will not work. Remember from this equation, if you plug in y equal to 6 here, you're going to obtain 6 times 1 over 2, which is 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is what? 2 right here. And what about this one? If we plug 6 here, 6 plus 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 right here. And if you add 2 and 3, you're going to obtain 5, not 1. Can you see that? But what about if we substitute y equal to negative 2? Let me show you that it is going to work. Negative 2 times 1 over 2 is going to give us negative 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the square root of 0 is 0. So what about this one? Negative 2 right here. We have 3 minus 2 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 will give us 1. Right? Therefore, y equal to negative 2 will work. And our final answer is x equal to 25, which if you like, you can test in the main equation, which is this one. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.